Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff here. This evening video for Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience here this afternoon, this evening. For a brand new video today, I will be running my Eureka the Boss Plus I got back in 2022 because this vacuum cleaner, I really need to get some new belts for it. And I was thinking about buying some Eureka belts, and I bought some bags for it, and for first of all, if you want me to run it for the whole video. And for first of all, I really love using this machine because it's powerful, because it's fun to do this, and man, this machine was in brand new condition. And I want to give this vacuum cleaner a run and see. Also, well, I got the grip on the cord right here, and get it from here, and this vacuum cleaner was made in 97 or 96. Yeah, this machine came out in the year of 96. And for first of all, it's a Eureka the Boss Plus micro filter Bravo. Eureka the Boss Plus Bravo 2 is a 12 amp motor. Was made in the year of 96 or 97. This is the black and gold one. I kind of been using a lot. And also, the last time I did use it was last year, I believe. Been using it multiple times. And also, I really wanted to give this machine a run and see. This is not the white track version. And also, I know a YouTuber named Classic Vacuum Cleaner Factory, who is Kevin Love. He really loved this machine a lot. He has one of these in his collection. His mostly do have a headlight to it. He has a headlight version for it, and this is not the headlight version to this machine. For first of all, I'm going to give this machine a run instead of me talking, okay? All right, here we go. everybody. Yo, man, I seen one of these vacuums on YouTube, and I wanted to find this vacuum cleaner at a Goodwill. I bought this for 25 bucks, real new, and back in August of 2022, I found this vacuum cleaner. I found it brand new. And this is one of my favorite vacuums. And for first of all, you can lift it right here. It takes the bag U in the style of the U-belt for Eureka. Yeah, this thing is about 28 years old, or could it be 29? I think this machine is about 27 years old. It's made in 1996, and it's a very old machine. It could be made in the year 97. This was about 27 years old, or it could be 28 years old. And these are really hard to find. They don't sell those at Walmart, Target, Kmart, Sears anymore. They used to sell those at Costco's back in the day. And first of all, you guys, this is a very old machine. This is a very old vintage vacuum, and this is a 12 amp motor of a Eureka the Boss Plus. I was thinking about getting a Bravo Boss. The one with the 7-point amp motor to it. Probably the Eureka Bravo. Those things are kind of loud. Because I used to be afraid of one of those vacuums. Was made in 1992. Was about 30 years old. Was about 31 or 32 years old to that machine. Was that right? I want to look for a power line. And I got 3 Eureka vacuums in my collection. I got the Eureka Broom Vac. I got a black and orange Eureka ESP. Was made in the late 80s or early 90s. And this vacuum right here was made in the year 97. It was made in March of 1997. Yo, I want to get the black and green Eureka the Boss Plus. I wanted to find that machine. My parents used to own that machine back in the day. My dad used to own one like that. And he had a red Panasonic upright vacuum because he had it throughout the 1995 until the year 2000. When the year 2000 came, it broke. My dad really did kept some vacuums downstairs in the garage, and he kept 2 vacuum cleaners in the house back in the day. And this used to be my dad's house, and it used to be my parents' house back in the day. And sadly, everybody, I really love this vacuum. My mom and dad really don't have that Eureka the Boss Plus anymore. It got broken in 2003 because the motor just got burned up. And I think it was caused from vacuuming too much, or I think the motor got overheatedly bad with steam, and the motor started to burn up that year, and the Panasonic really got broken. Well, the Panasonic got broken in the year of 98 and it got thrown out. Or maybe it causes from the belt being too stretched. It's caused from vacuuming up a lot of things that you shouldn't vacuum of. And also, everybody, I love this machine. I love using it every time. And also, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. I will see you in the next video, everybody, for tomorrow. Bye!